In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce product filters for your online store. Setting up product filters not only enhances the customer experience by making it easier for shoppers to find what they need, but it also optimizes your store's functionality, potentially boosting sales and user satisfaction. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll find quite a few options on the left-hand sidebar. Look for the Appearance tab, hover over this section, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Customize. This will lead us to the WordPress Customizer, where we can make all sorts of nifty adjustments to your site's layout and appearance. Keep in mind that any changes you make here will directly affect how your store looks and operates. Once inside the Customizer, scroll down or search for the WooCommerce section. This is where we control all the aspects related to your online store. Under this category, click on Product Catalog. This page is where all the magic happens concerning how your products are displayed and sorted for your customers. One of the most crucial settings you will find here is the Enable Product Catalog option. Make sure this option is checked. Enabling the product catalog is essential as it determines how the various products in your store will be presented to potential customers. If you don't enable this, all the other filter settings might not work as intended. Next, let's adjust the Shop Page Display setting. You'll want to set this to Show Products. This simple step ensures that when a customer visits your shop page, they immediately see your products, rather than categories, for example, which might require additional clicks to navigate. This direct approach can hold their attention better and reduce any unnecessary friction that could lead to a potential loss in sales. Finally, we reach one of the most interactive parts of the settings, the Default Product Sorting drop-down. Activating this allows your customers to sort products according to their preferences. You can arrange them by popularity, average rating, newness, price, or stock status. Each option provides a specific view that can cater to different customer needs. For instance, sorting by popularity might entice new customers to purchase items that others have found appealing. Meanwhile, sorting by price can be quite helpful for budget-conscious shoppers. And there you have it. A quick, simple setup to enable product filters for your WooCommerce store. Remember, these filters not only help in providing a seamless shopping experience, but also elevate the overall efficiency of your store, making it more friendly and navigable. Take some time to explore these settings and see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!